Just got a new boat. Let's clean off this ugly trailer. What a stupid looking winch. Let's take it off. Ah, rusty. There we go. How about this wheel? Probably gonna take this wheel off. Looks ugly. Ain't it? There we go. And done. Part 1 of like 23, so follow.